All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to MJM AI Community. This is where we use our AI to make money from the financial markets. So, for those of us who are new here, the AI website is mjmoptions.com. For me, I'm already registered and I have an account, and its account is unlocked. So, I click on what? Start trading. For those of us who are new, you can click on Get Started and then get registered. So, now for those of us who are new here, the moment you are connected, you get to see 123 signals today. 8 of them are active. Success rate is 95. Market scan is 46. AI accuracy is 88. So the moment you click Start Scanner, it generates your signal on that AIOTC scanner here. The AIOTC scanner, this is the signal in this rectangular box. So you can see the pair here. This is the pair what we trade. This is the 5-minute standard signal. This is how long we are trading for. This is the direction. Direction here is call, and this is the AI confidence. AI confidence here is AI confidence is how confident the AI is on a particular signal. So we usually look for the ones that are 90 to 99, and here is the signal strength. The signal strength has to also be strong at the same time. So next thing we have here is the get ready time. Get ready time is 12:37, 40 seconds. This here is the get ready time. Here it means that the time at which the AI generated the signal and delivered it to you. The entry time here is the time at which the AI you are expected to execute the signal. So we have the martingale levels. These are like recovery levels for this entry point and this entry. So that is basically everything about the signal. So how do we take the signal? It's very, very simple. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing to do is stop scan, start scan again. And we're looking for what AI confidence of 90 to 99 and signal strength of strong. So we stop scan, start scan again. 70 strong, stop scan, start scan again. 94, but it is weak. Stop scan, start scan again. 75, no. 85, no. 84, no. 80, no. 86, no. 81, no. 89, no. 83, no. We're looking for 90 to 99. So we have 97 here. And signal strength is strong. So what's the pair? The pair is what? USD PLN. So we go and search USD what? PLN. So we click. Now the next thing we go is I'm just paying 600 on the trade. That's then I'm going to go forward 600. Now the next thing I have here is the 5-minute standard signal. 5-minute standard signal simply means I'm trading for 5 minutes. So I come here and I adjust it to 5. The next thing I have here is the direction. Direction here says put, so that means I'm selling. So what time am I selling? I'm selling at 12:40, 23 seconds. So I'm selling at 12:40, 23 seconds. So 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have less than 10 seconds to go. 12:40, 23 seconds. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 7 on that. So we are on the signal right now. So let me do a screenshot of the signal for reference sake. So I can always reference it for later. So I have it saved here. Now I'm going to send it to the channel so you guys can see it on the channel also. AI signal. So now that is there. So now let's go through the other parts of the AI. Here we are the dashboard here. So we have so we see the AI signal performance for the last 1 week. There we have the top AI signals. Here we have the latest AI signals. This is like a notification bar for signals. Here we have the trading signals. This is the other part of the AI where you can take signals from. So once you take a signal from the trading signal, you come to the pending. Now you make sure you are looking at this. You're looking at the pair, everything, and you're looking at this. So you can see expired here. So what else you should look at? You're looking at the time frame. Is your time frame is on 1 minute, split on 1 minute. So you can see 1 minute standard signal. 1 minute standard signal simply means you are going to be doing what's trading for 1 minute. And the next thing you have here is 2 minute standard. 2 minute standard signal simply means you're going to be trading for 2 minutes. The next thing you have here is the 5-minute standard signal, which means you're going to be trading forward for 5 minutes. So that is what we did earlier. We were trading for 5 minutes on the ALTC scanner. So now these trading signals, how do you use them? It's quite simple and similar to the way you use the LTC scanner, the execution time, but the way you identify signals here is different. So now it is also similar with the AI confidence. So now let's go. We click refresh. And once you click refresh, it generates us multiple signals here. So you can see them, 8 of them. Now the first thing we're looking for is the one that carries 90 to 99% AI confidence. That's the first thing you look at. So this is 99. Now the second thing you're going 97. So this second thing you're looking for is the one that has not signal strength this time around. It is a countdown time. So you look at this is 94. Now the countdown timer, since we have 5 minutes standard signal, since it is on 5 minutes standard signal, that means the countdown timer has to be above 5 minutes. That's the minute. So what do we have? This is XAGUS. So you can copy the signal, paste it somewhere, and take it and execute it on the entry time. So next one we have is what? Let's see if we can find another one 96. So we can find another one with 90. This is 90, but this is 3 minutes. So this is 99, but this is 3 minutes. So this is 93, also 3 minutes. 98 exactly. This is 5 minutes and 28 seconds. So you can copy this, paste it somewhere, and take this signal. So that is basically how it is on 5 minutes. We are still in profit on this one. So let's see how this goes. This here's the PLM goes the next 1 minute and 50 seconds. So the other time frames are also the same, same concept. We go 2 minutes. When you have 2 minutes standard signal, you're looking for what? 90 to 99% also. This is 96. How many minutes left on the countdown timer is 48 seconds. So you have to skip it because it is not up to 2 minutes. Since you're using 2 minutes standard signal, that means you have to see signals that are above 2 minutes for it to take them. Next thing you have here is 90%. You have to go as if you have to see something in countdown timer over 2 minutes. You don't find then at the here. 91 countdown timer less than a minute, less than 2 minutes. You will not here. So now this is 99. Oh, it moves by itself. So this is what 90. So you can see silver also, XAGUSD over 2 minutes. So this is a good signal. So that's basically how you can take down, copy, paste it somewhere, then execute it on the entry time. So that's basically how it is. The next one in 1 minute. Next one in 1 minute also, the same idea. Make sure you find 90 to 99, 90 to 99, 95 here, 92 here, but the countdown timer is less than 1 minute. So you refresh. 99 here, less than 1 minute. 99 here also less than 1 minute. 98 less than 1 minute. 98 here also less than 1 minute. So can't take something less than 1 minute. You have to take something above 1 minute. Less than a minute here to 99. 94 here less than a minute also. So you have to be above a minute before you take it. 97 here less than a minute. 92 here less than a minute. 95 here less than a minute. So let's keep going. 94 here less than a minute, 98 here less than a minute, 95 here more than a minute. So let's check how long do we have on this signal. So we just want this signal. I came here, I worked in the right time. So we just want the signal here is PLM. So that's basically how you make money with the AI. Very simple and straightforward. So let me do my screenshots and send it to the channel. Do my screenshot and send it to the channel. So here we have okay, so this is $510. This signal. So that is basically how we use the AI. So the next thing I have here is the 1 minute standard signal. So that's to be above 1 minute, 90%, and that's to be the countdown time has to be above a minute for you to take the signal. So 95 about 1 minute, I take the signal. So next thing we are going to say auto trading. Auto trading feature is the moment you get access to the AI, right? Auto trading feature works in a way that the moment you have $1,000 in your account, on your IK options account, then you can trade it. The moment you get access to the AI, you have to get access to the AI, you can be able to scan and use trading signals. But so when you are able to scan and use trading signals, then you can now log in your account that has about $1,000. You can now log in your account to the auto trading part, and the AI will trade for you for that part. So that's basically how it works. So the next thing we have here is the market analysis. Market analysis talks about the abilities of the AI. So the first thing here is the AI sentiment analysis. This talks about the abilities of AI to study the market sentiment and use the market sentiment to give you an informed signal. The next thing, that's here is the AI event scanner. This talks about the abilities of the AI to study the news patterns or the news itself and use the news to give you an informed signal. The next thing we have is the AI technical indicators. This talks about the abilities of the AI to study the charts and recognize patterns and use those patterns to give you an informed signal. So that is how it works. And the next thing we have is the MGMT. The MGMT talks about the premium contents that are released, so you can always see live sessions back to back to back again. You can always watch them again to see how the AI works, to see how we make money on the AI. You're using the AI, so make sure you come back here to always check out the videos. So you can even go come back later and see this live session here also, so you can always get to understand things that you never got to understand before. So there is a community. Community, we have two types of community. We have the MGM AI community and we have the market for it. The MGM AI community is where we are right now. This is where we introduce AI. You get access to the AI, and once you get access to the AI, you're trading with the AI, you join the market world. So that's basically how it is. Market world is where we do a live trading sessions, where we trade together, where we post our results, where we host webinars, where we host competitions, trading competitions when they come on, where we also do one-on-one mentorship. So make sure you are part of the market warriors. Now the webinar we'll be hosting one tomorrow, and that is that the topic will be what options brokers doesn't want you to know. And that is what tomorrow is all about. So tomorrow 9 p.m. I won't be hosting it though, but my colleague will be hosting that. So make sure you're part of it. So 9 p.m. tomorrow, what options brokers don't want you to know. And it will be on the markets where it will be on the markets where at 9 p.m. So make sure you're part of it. So come back to the dashboard. This is the time for questions. Does anyone have a question?
Good morning, sir.
Yes, go ahead, sir. I can hear you. Go ahead, sir.
Good morning, sir.
I can hear you clearly. I can hear you clearly. I can hear you, sir, Mr. Ibrahim. Go ahead.
Yes, I said if someone want to use the 200% bonus,
Yeah,
can
promo
someone
code.
deposit with $40 activate it?
$40 can activate 200%. 200% is from $100 upward. From $100 upward. So when you deposit
Okay.
$100 and you use 200%, they will give you $300.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, so for those of us who are new here, how do you get access to AI? It is very, very simple for those of us who are here and are not speaking yet and I'm not ready to ask questions. You guys can ask questions. You can unmute yourself and ask questions. Mr. Ibrahim, please ask the question. So this space is open. Now, for those of us who are new here, how do you get access to AI? It's very, very simple. It's a three-step process. The first step is for you to register on mjmoptions.com. The moment you register on mjmoptions.com, you send me the email you registered with. That's the first step. Now, the second step is for you to register on IQ Options. The moment you register on IQ Options using our link, you go to your profile, you copy your user ID, you send that to me. That's the second step. Now, the third and final step is for you to fund your IQ Options account that you're about to trade, and that would unlock this AI permanently. So that's basically how it is. So, any question from King OS and Mr. Marvel? Let's hear you guys. It's an open space. You can speak. How did you get to join the channel? Where did you get to see us from? When did you join the channel? how did you arrive here? Let's hear stuff. Let's hear you speak. This channel is an open space. Everyone speaks here. So there's a reason why you joined. You're trying to make money. So it is extremely important for you to ask a question. So let's hear you guys. Does anyone have a question for me? Anyone? Anyone? In regards to how the AI works, anything. That is why I'm here to answer everything because I know it is very, very simple to do, so I understand. So you guys can message me. Let's get you started. Any questions, guys? Any questions? I love to hear questions. If you know me very well, you know I don't shy away from questions. So go ahead and ask me a question.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good
How
morning,
are you
sir.
doing? I can hear you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Please, I want to ask, is it possible for somebody that have created an account before to still get access to your AI?
You mean IQ options account?
Yes.
You have to create a new one. You can open multiple IQ options accounts. You have to just create a new one.
Okay. Okay.
Just open a new one and verify that new one too, and you can get access to it. Does anyone have a question? Anyone? Anyone? I'd love to hear your questions. Mr. Virgin Boy, been a while. It's been a while. How are you doing? Um, anyone in particular? Does anyone have a question? Okay, so I've dropped my handle on the channel. For those of us who want to send me a message after the live session, please make sure you do that. Don't hesitate to send me a message. I will get you started. You can get access to the AI in less than 2 hours. So I said 20 minutes, you'll be done. So The first step is for you to register on mjmoptions.com. That's where the AI is. That is the AI website. You send me the email registered. That's the first step. And the second step is for you to register on IQ Options. Once you register on IQ Options, make sure you register using our link on IQ Options. Once you register using our link on IQ Options, you go to your profile, you copy your user ID, you send it to me. And that's the second step. The third and final step is for you to fund your IQ Options account like you're about to trade. And then the AI will be unlocked permanently, will be unlocked automatically and permanently. So that's basically how it works. So send me a message now and I will get you started. So I'll see you guys in 2 hours. That is at 3 o'clock. Yes, 3 o'clock. 2 hours from now, we'll be doing the next live session. So after that, we'll also be running our second live trading session again by 5:15. So make sure you guys are part of all these live sessions because it's very, very important to when you're part of MDN AI community, you should always attend live sessions. Because it is very, very important to the way we grow in the trading space. So and it's also have a very huge effect on the money we make. So make sure you're getting live sessions, make sure you make more, make sure you are trading with me. Also make sure that you are learning at the same time. So I'll see you guys later. Make sure you send me a message so I can help you with everything you need.